So today I was focusing on this section here. So originally I was asking the users what type of content are they submitting. Are they submitting a blog, a video, a social media post, a website, a book? But the whole reason for this actually is I just need to know if they're submitting something with a play button, with a video or a podcast, because it will change the checks I have to do in the back. And to explain that, let me show you the resources. So we have a list of different resources here. They're all different posts. You can see some have videos and some do not. So these are embedded. So when a user submits a link, they could be sending the embedded version, or they could send a version that isn't embedded. If it isn't the proper version, we're going to get an error like this, or Firefox can open the page, and that would just be a big waste on the site to have this big error basically here. So what I wanted to do here is I just want to know if the content has a play button, and if so, I'm going to run a check to see, is it allowed to be embedded? And if they sent me a version of the URL, can I change it into an embedded version that works? So what I did here is, let me scroll back up. This has now been changed to the actual question that I'm looking for. Does this content have a play button? Basically, is it a video or a podcast? Yes or no, and that's it. If it's yes, then we could also ask them if that's a starting time, because this is all for stuff that's a play button. They can say no if they want to say, like, nope, this isn't a video or podcast. And an important thing, too, is that the content that I mentioned earlier, the video, podcast, website, this is all important things someone would want to search through. They want to filter through the content to find it. So for here, if they click this, they'll get only like videos, or they'll get only podcasts or websites. So I improved that where now users can actually filter through that resource. So they can only find, if they're looking for a new podcast to listen to, they can easily find that. So that was a little feature that I improved today.